Hello guys, and welcome to day 22 of my journey to get sub 10. So yesterday I got a 34.34, which is a pretty cool time, but not very good. It's good, but not. I can do better. So yeah, hopefully today I can do better. So yeah, let's get into the solve. That way. Okay, let's do a bit of inspection. If I just do that, then do that. Okay, yeah. So I know what to do. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. That. That's a decent white cross time. What algorithm is it? Oh, this one. 32.10, which is 2.24 seconds faster than each day. Let's go. Improvement. My average of 5 is 34.80, which is apparently my session's best. It just popped on the screen. So that is great. Best average of 5 I've had. Improvement. Let's go. Thanks for watching guys, like and subscribe, and don't forget to come tomorrow for day 23.